Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Facebook Pixel using Event Setup tool. So if you don't want to use Google Tag Manager for the Meta Pixel setup, then you can use Facebook Event Setup tool. Okay. So if you ask me, then I would still recommend you to use Google Tag Manager for the most accurate and advanced Facebook or Meta Pixel tracking. But if you want, then you can use Event Setup tool as well. Why I'm making this video? Some of my clients told me that they want to set up Facebook Pixel using Event Setup tool. So I thought I should make a video on it. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be using this website for setting up Facebook Pixel using Facebook Event Setup tool. Okay. So first of all, we need to check whether a Facebook base pixel has been installed on this website or not. Because for setting up Facebook pixel using event setup tool, we need to have Facebook base pixel installed on our website first. So we can check with the help of an extension called Meta Pixel Helper. So you can see over here, no pixel found on this website. That means we need to install Facebook base pixel to this website first. Okay. So for installing Metabase Pixel, I have come to the Event Manager section. So in case if you don't know how to come to the Event Manager section, then I would tell you, you need to come to the Business Manager section first, then you will get an option called Event Manager. Then you can come to this section. So I'm going to click on Connect Data Sources, and I'm going to be choosing Web from here and click on Next. And I have to name a data set. So I'll name it as perfect. So I'll click on create. Then you can see over here asset added. So we have two options available. You can either connect with a partner or you can choose connect manually. So I'm going to choose connect manually and I'll be choosing Metapixel only and I'll click on next and I'm going to click on finish. So if I scroll down, then we have an option called gather website events from browser activity and where we have an option called setup metapixel. So I'm going to be choosing manually add pixel code to your website. So I'll click on install code manually. Okay. So I'm going to copy the code and put it in the translate section. Okay. Perfect. So first of all, we need to insert this code in our admin panel into our website. Okay. So as you know, this is a WordPress CMS. We can check using Opalizer. Okay. So for going to the admin panel, we just need to enter our website URL. Then I'm gonna write /wp-admin. Okay, and hit enter. Then we can use different methods for installing Facebook base pixel. So one of the ways are go to the appearance section, then theme file editor, then you will have an option called header.php. Okay, then you can, if I scroll down, then you have an option called header.php. Then you have an option called head element. Then you can put the code over here, or if you want to use any plugins, then you can do it. Okay, so I'm gonna use a plugin called insert header footer. So I have already installed the plugin. So I'll go to the header and footer element and I'll go to the event manager and copy the code from here and paste it in the header section. So I'll click on save changes and then I'll go to the website for checking whether page view or base pixel has been installed to this website or not. So I'll go to the Metapixel helper. Then you can see over here an event called page view is firing and the pixel ID is 11 and ends with 82. So if I go to over here 1182, so the pixel code is matching. That means Facebook base pixel has been installed on this website properly. So I'll click on continue and I will turn on automatic advanced matching and I'll click on continue. Then we have an option called open event setup tool. So I'm going to click on it Then I need to provide the website URL. So I'm going to copy the website URL from here and paste it in the website URL section and click on open website. So event setup tool will be available soon. Okay, so you can see over here, event setup tool is available here over here. So we have two options. Actually, we can track uh, events using two methods, one with the button and another one with the URL. Okay, so we'll see both of the options. So first of all, we'll see the button, then we'll see URL option. So what I will do over here, I will choose one of the products, for example, this one. So what I'll do, I'll track this button, add to cart button. Okay. So I'll click on track new button. So you can see all the buttons has been selected. So I need to track add to cart. So I'm going to click on add to cart, and then you have to select an event. So I'm going to select add to cart, and in the value section, you have two options available here. Like you can choose value on page or you can skip it if you want. Okay. So I'm going to click on choose value on the page, then add content ID and content type. So I'm going to choose extract content ID from URL. Then I'm going to be choosing this one. So our product name is denim blue jeans. So I'm going to be choosing this one. Okay. So I'll click on confirm. Then you can see over here, there is an event called to cart has been created. So I'm going to click on finish setup and I'll click on finish. I'll click on yes and I'll click on submit. So we have set up an event called add to cart. So let's let's click on open website. Okay. Or actually, I'm going to go to this section, event manager, or if I go to pixel overview, so if I go to the history section, then you can see over here, event updated, new event add to cart, uh, add to cart added using event setup tool. So we'll see this data within 30 minutes because it takes up to 30 minutes to come to this event data to this overview section. So it will take time, you know. So let's see how we can track the URL. Okay, perfect. So I'll be tracking the thank you page URL. So I need to purchase a product. So for example, I'll purchase this product. So I'm gonna choose this product. Then I'll add this product to the cart. I'm gonna click on view cart. I'll click on checkout and I'll click on place order button. So after making the purchase, I will be tracking it using track a URL. So I'll click on track a URL. Then we have two options available here. URL equals this, the URL, or we can use URL contents. So I'll be using URL contents. Okay. URL contains this option, order receipt actually. So this is the unique section. So yeah, URL contains, I have to give a slash over here. Let's try it again. So I'm gonna copy order received again, and I'll choose URL contains, and instead of this option, I'll be choosing order received. Oh, I have to select an event. Sorry. So I'm gonna choose purchase event because whenever someone placing an order, I want to track the purchase event. So I'll be choosing choose value on page. Okay. Then actually I need to use that content ID and content type. So extract content ID from the URL. Okay. Then uh, you can choose this option, choose content ID of the page. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, perfect. 45. Then I'll click on confirm. Just wait a little bit. So you can see over here, uh, purchase event has been created. So I'll click on finish setup, and you can see there is an event called purchase while URL contains /order receipt. Okay, so I'll click on finish. Yes, this was helpful. I'll click on submit. I'll click on done. Okay, perfect. So we have created uh, two events actually. One with add to cart button and another one with uh, purchase with the URL, you know. So if I go to the history section, then you can see over here event updated. So I'm gonna click on. So you can see over here new event purchase added using event setup tool. Okay, so this is the time. So it will take some time to come to the overview section. Okay, perfect. So you need to wait at least 30 minutes to come to this event data to the overview section. So yeah, this is how you can set up Metapixel using event setup tool. So you can track all the buttons using event setup tool, and you can track the URL as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can set up Facebook or Metapixel using event setup tool. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.